Student, now we are going to solve exercise 1.2 class 9 general maths. First question, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So first question is, every irrational number is a real number. So we have to justify the answer now. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. We'll write here that the statement is true. The statement is true as because as because as because the real number as because the real number is the collection of all rational and irrational numbers, collection of all rational and irrational numbers. For example, real number, this is the symbol of real number set, equal to, then we'll write here rational plus irrational. Rational means 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and many are there, and irrational means root 2, root 5, 1 by root 7, many are there. The dot, yes, this indicate that many are there. This is the answer of the first question. Now student, the next question is, state whether the following statement are true or false. Justify your answer. Roman 2, every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 1 Roman 2 exercise 1.2. Students, I will write here now 1 Roman 2, and the statement is false. Actually I will write that here. I will write here the statement is false as because no negative numbers can be the square root, no negative number can be the square root of any natural numbers. So natural numbers, so every number of the number line is not of the form root m. That's why I have written the statement is false. Now look here, if I, for example, I am showing some examples here. For example, if I write root 2, value is 1.41. if I write root 3, value is 1.71. if I write root 5, value is 2.23. if I write root 9, value is 3. That is okay, because these numbers can be written in the root format. But if I write minus root 2, this can be, means this minus 2, which means I means imaginary. Or if I write here minus 4, then this is 2i. if I write minus 9, this is 3i. Minus sign inside the root over, it is indicated as the imaginary number. I means the imaginary number, which means this is not possible, and this portion cannot be possible, cannot be possible in number line. This portion cannot be possible in the number line. Look here, this portion cannot be possible in the number line. This I means the imaginary number, or we can say that complex number. Now student, question number 1 Roman 3, every real number is an irrational number. I will now going to solve this one. Every real number is an irrational number. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Students, I will write here that Roman 3, then write here solution, Roman 3 solution. Then we write here the statement is false. The statement is false as because rational number as because rational numbers is also the part of real numbers, which means, students, real number is the collection of the rational and irrational numbers. So in the question it is said that every real number is an irrational number. No, because real number is the collection of rational and irrational. That's why every real number is only rational. Only irrational. We cannot say that. That's why the statement is wrong. Now, for example, real numbers. The symbol is R here. Then rational plus irrational. Now look here, students, if I say that every rational number is a real number, correct. If I say that every irrational number is a real number, also correct. But if I say every real number is rational, incorrect, because real number is the collection of rational and irrational. So if I say only rational is a real number, and this is not, which means incorrect. So this statement is false. Student, I have done from exercise 1.2 question number 1, Roman 1 2 3. Question number 2 and 3 I am giving homework, and try at least. If not, then I will do, but you try at least in your home question number 2 and 3.